In this video, I'll show you how to earn Microsoft Rewards points on your Xbox Series X and S, and also how to redeem them. So the first thing we need to go on is over here, My Games and Apps. Once you're over here, you need to go into Apps, which is the second option, and we need to select this icon over here, Microsoft Rewards, and that everybody with an Xbox has. You don't need to install it. Then press A to launch it. Then once you open this app for the first time, you need to click on Explore the app now. And from here, they will show you different options to earn points. So let's say you have this one, 100 points maximum here, press A. And over here, you're gonna have everything you need to do to earn those points. So here you get 10 points. If you check the weekly deals on the Microsoft Store, you just need to do this. You don't need to purchase anything. Here you have other options, and if you press B to go back, and if you want to earn even more points, you just need to go down over here and they will appear over time. You can even select a few that are these. You can read them by simply pressing on them. And every time you're gonna have a description here, and it will tell you how many points you can earn by doing what they ask you to do. If you want to redeem those points after you gather a few of them, all you have to do is to go over here in the middle where it says redeem. Here are a few examples, but if you want to see all of them in each category, simply go into show all. And sometimes there will be even more that you cannot see on the main page. You can also have AutoRedeem over here. So every time you're going to reach a certain amount of those points, it will automatically redeem them for you, so you don't have to go back into this app to do it manually. So these were all the options, how to earn and how to redeem your Microsoft points. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.